Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? I hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. So, students, we are going to start our chapter number 14, Weather and Season. Okay, students, remember one thing: learn with ma'am and try to understand it. Okay, beta. Dictation word. Firstly, we revise our dictation word. First question is weather. 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 Conditioner. Condition. 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 Place. 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 Rainbow. 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 Wind. 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 Season. 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 Spring. 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 Pleasant. 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 Spring. Autumn. 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 Monsoon. 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 Okay. Now next we revise. Fill in the blanks. Yes. The weather changed from day to day. What changed day to day? Weather. And what is the spelling of weather? What is the spelling of weather? Yes. Weather. 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 On a sunny day, the weather is hot. On a sunny day, the weather is hot. Sunny. 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 Sunny day. Okay. Dark clouds bring us rain. Dark clouds bring us rain. 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 Strong wind blow on a windy day. Strong wind blow on a windy day. Strong wind कब होती है? Windy day में. Okay. Flower bloom in spring season. Flower bloom in spring season. Flowers जो होते हैं, फूल जो होते हैं, वो कब खिलने स्टार्ट होते हैं, कब उनमें कलियां निकलनी स्टार्ट होती है? स्प्रिंग सीजन मतलब बसंत ऋतु. Okay. Take the correct answer. Take the correct answer. On sunny days we use raincoat, fan and gumboots. What? Fan. So we take on fan. Flower blooms in season, spring season. So we take on spring. On cold days we wear woolen clothes, cotton clothes or gumboots. Woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes on cold days. Next, put right or wrong. Put right or wrong. We eat ice cream on cold days. हम आइसक्रीम कब खाते हैं? कोल्ड डेज में? No. So we put cross here. The weather is hot on rainy days. Weather बहुत गर्म होता है rainy days में. Cross. In spring season, the weather is pleasant. स्प्रिंग सीजन में वेदर प्लीजेंट होता है, अच्छा होता है. यस. ड्रिंक plenty of water in summer. Yes. There are 5 season in a year according to weather. मतलब इस साल में वेदर के सीजन के अकॉर्डिंग 5 वेदर्स आते हैं. No. There are 5 season in a year according to weather. 5 season according to weather. Weather के अनुसार कितने seasons आते हैं? 5. Yes. So it is right. So we take right here. It changed from day to day. It changed from day to day. Weather. What changed day to day? Weather. 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 It shines brightly on sunny day. It shines brightly on sunny day. The sun. It shines brightly on sunny day. The sun. We can see them in the sky on rainy day. We can see them in the sky on rainy day. Clouds. 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 We like to eat ice cream in summer season. We like to eat ice cream in summer season. Name the following. Two things we like to drink on cold days. Two things we like to drink on cold days. Soups, coffee. Soups and coffee. SOUPS, soup, coffee. COFFE, coffee. Two things we like to eat or drink on hot days. Two things we like to eat or drink on hot days. Juice and ice cream. Juice and ice creams. 5 seasons: summer, winter, rainy, spring and autumn. Summer, winter, rainy, spring and autumn. Okay, give answer in one word. Give answer in one word. How many seasons are there in a year? How many seasons are there in a year? 5. How many seasons? 5. Yes. In which season the weather is very pleasant? Weather, कौन से season में weather बहुत ज़्यादा pleasant होता है? Yes. In spring season, SPRING, spring, SEASON, season, spring season, SPRING, spring, SEASON, season, spring season. When do people like to sit around a small fire? When do people like to sit around a small fire? On a cold days. On a cold days. कब बैठना पसंद करते हैं? जो ठंडे दिन होते हैं उसमें. What blooms in spring season? What blooms in spring season? Flowers. 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 Answer these questions. Answer these questions. What is the weather? What is the weather? The condition of air. The condition of air at a particular place. At a particular place and time is called weather. The condition of air at a particular place and time is called weather. What is a season? A period of year with a particular weather. A period of year with a particular weather is called a season. A period of year with a particular weather is called season. Okay. In which season the tree shed their leaves? कौन से सीजन में ट्री अपने जो पत्ते हैं उनको झाड़ देता है, शेड कर देता है, मतलब गिरा देता है. The tree shed their leaves in autumn season. The tree shed their leaves in autumn season. Okay, students, I hope you all are understood today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you learn the chapter. Okay, keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.